Welcome to Newbern's Garage. This time we put a camshaft in Brandon's 57, swap some pulleys around, we pick up some boost and put a badass exhaust on this car, take it for a test drive, and well, as you can see, things don't go quite as planned. There's a little confusion here. If you've been watching the channel for a while, you'll know that we have saved about 6 Tri-5s out of Texas, and 2 of which are sitting right here. But if you're new to the channel, we have just turned that one over there, which is my buddy Bert's car, into what we call a street freak. Some people call it a gasser, but a gasser to me is a little bit lower in the back, not as high stance. A few differences. That one's like a damn monster truck, okay? But a lot of people think that that car over there is this car, which belongs to my buddy Brandon. This car and that car, damn near identical. Almost the same color, almost the same patina. The only difference is this is LS powered, that's a small block Chevrolet over there. We first got this car, me and Finnegan left this one in Texas at a friend's house, and then we drove it from there back to Dickey's, where we picked all these cars up for a road trip for roadkill. And then at the end of that episode, Brandon met me out there and we gave him this car as a gift. And then once I got my hands on all the other cars, I thought it would be cool if his dad had one that matched his son's. So that's why these 2 cars exist. But right now, long story short, this car has a 5.3 in it that several buddies of mine, we all kind of dogpiled this thing for Power Tour one year, 23. And we built it in like 3 days. We LS swapped it. It's got a 6-speed Magnum transmission in it, Ford 9-inch. All the parts came from Speedway Motors, and we just dogpiled it, put it all together, drove it on Power Tour. It was a blast. Everything worked great. After Power Tour, Bert and Brandon both bought blowers, and now we have 3, including mine, 57 Chevrolets with blower motors, which is cool because mine's a big block Chevrolet. You got an LS, and you got a small block Chevrolet over there. But this is just a stock 5.3, completely stock camshaft, stock everything. That's going to change in this episode. We're about to put a big old camshaft in this, change the oil pan, change a few things, change the exhaust, and make this thing sound rowdy versus just stock with a little bit of blower whine. We need more than that. And Biloxi is just a month away, and we're going to have all 3 of these down there ripping around, making blower noises. It's going to be incredible. But right now, let's fire this thing up. We need a baseline. We're going to see what it sounds like completely stock with the exhaust that's on there, and then we'll do another shot once we put this camshaft in it, put some black wood mufflers on it. So let's fire it up. Looks cool, sounds like crap. That changes right now. You ready to tear it apart? Let's go. New camshaft is in, timing chain, oil pump. We're now putting on the new oil pan. Brandon, what camshaft did we put in it?
The Chuck Norris from Tooley Racing.
All right. We're swapping out the truck pan that was on it. It's like 9 inches deep. It hung way down here. Which pan is this?
Your retro muscle car.
Gotcha.
Pan.
All right. we're getting there. We're gonna get the front buttoned up tonight. Tomorrow, you're going to get some valves, some new rocker arms.
Yeah.
And then we'll finish up the valve springs, rocker arms, and fire this baby up tomorrow. That's fine. We're just firing it up.
Okay.
Go for it. Cam swap is complete. It sounds good, open headers, but now it's time for exhaust. We had a 2.5-inch bullet style Flowmaster muffler on it before. It sounded okay. It was pretty quiet, but now I'm gonna turn the camera around. We're gonna step it up a notch. We're gonna install a set of Angry Housewives by Black Widow. They're 3-inch versus the 2.5 that we had on it before. And let's just say it's definitely going to be a little louder. So yeah, and I got a bunch of stainless pipe. We got these on an online auction. The whole thing for like 80 bucks. 45s, 180s, 90s, straights, you name it. All stainless. What a deal. So I'm going to cut up some of this, which I don't even think I need any bends. I think I just need a couple of straights. Maybe a couple of 45s for the turn down to the back, but we're going to utilize that kit to put under this car. I mean, we're going to address this later. It's just temporary. You know, priorities. Got to make it sound cool first. Exhaust is done. Now we get to fire it up. Had to put a little dent right there. It's clear. Other than that, turned out pretty good. Let's fire it up. Moment of truth. Let's see what the angry housewives sound like. I think that's my favorite muffler. That sounds incredible. Hey, don't like that. What's what here? Anything else that need to be turned on?
Headlights, and then that turns on our charger.
Them on the big top.
How'd it do?
It did great till right there. Thank you guys for watching. Also, if you have never been to Cruisin the Coast in Biloxi, Mississippi, do yourself a favor, check it out at least one time, and I promise you won't regret it. There's at least 15,000 hot rods cruising up and down the beach within like a 30-mile stretch. There's 6 different car shows happening at the same time. Just the atmosphere is incredible, and we're going to have all of our cars down there. It's going to be a good time. And also, there is a lot of stuff coming up on the channel, a lot of good stuff, like the attempted murder Nova. A lot of people don't even know that I searched and found that car and bought it back because I sold it about 4 years ago to help fund when I was building my 57 Chevrolet. And I always regretted it, and I bought it back, and it's gonna be better than ever. So that's coming up very soon. Also, I have traded one of my other Tri-5s off. It was a 55 Chevrolet that I had, not the 4-door that we just built, but a 2-door that was just a shell of a body. And I've traded it off for something super cool, and I absolutely love it. And that might be the next video. I'm not sure yet, but I'll reveal that car here very soon. And the ramp truck is coming up, the turbo coupe, just all sorts of stuff is happening. So stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you next time.